als Nationalspruch von einem Memberland von unserer.
This cannot be interpreted because Luxembourgish is not a European official language.
To interrupt you, you have to take the floor using one of the official languages of this Parliament, as the rules of the Parliament.
Mr. President, I respectfully request the same right for the people of Luxembourg than for everybody else in this Parliament, and I would kindly request you to let me speak in Luxembourgish.
Yes.
Herr Präsident.
Using one of the official languages of the Parliament, you have explained it perfectly in English now.
Well,
you can continue in English.
I would then make a short summary. I think, Mr. President, that Luxembourgish should have a status in this Parliament in the same way than all other languages also. I wish that my language should not be discriminated against by this Parliament, and I would like to remind you, Mr. President, that Luxembourgish has also been a founding language of the European Union. Robert Schuman, Konrad Adenauer and Joseph Bech, three of our founding fathers, discussed in Luxembourgish on the future of Europe, a peaceful future, and I would like to have this language recognised in this Parliament. I thank you.